Garage Squad, this is Phil Holt in Spartanburg, South Carolina. I'm standing by a 65 GTO with an interesting backstory. My brother, who was older than me by a year and a half, was a builder, picked this car up back in '72. He later became terminally ill and passed away. In that process, he pawned this car with a friend of his who called me up and said I could come get it back almost 4 years later. So I did, and this car was my brother's design to be handed down to his son, Will Davis, who has it now and is ready to begin a restoration, but could use a little bit of help from Garage Squad. I'm going to introduce Will Davis and let him tell you about his car.
This is it. It's a 1965 GTO. It's charcoal blue with blue interior. The car's a 4-speed car with a 389 engine. I've recently done a tune-up on it to get it running and everything. It's original tri-power car, original engine, numbers matching car, no rust. It was in my family since 1972, and luckily it stayed in the family.
You want to give it a crank?
Sure. Get the key.
Okay, Garage Squad, we could really use your help now to make a young man's dream come true. Signing off.